Thank you. It's all empty already. Han, this one.
Yeah, sorry.
Bye, Angus. Bye bye. All our food is all gone. It's all gone.
See you later.
See you, Han. Bye bye. This is from Makome. Turn brown. Thank you.
The crab have such lovely words.
For a special friend. With love, this wish is thinking of you on your birthday and all your caring ways. With sending special wishes. The loveliest days of the year. Love you too. Nice. Well done. Wow, so many. Wow. Gingery shower gel. Yeah, thank you. Perfume. There's some more here. Shower gel. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. It's so nice. You're so kind. Thank you very much. Oh, I have. Oh, it smells so good.
I think the smell is on this. If you... Yeah, that's the scent.
Yes,
Yes, thank you. That's the scent.
I see. Thank you very much. I will wear it now. Oh, it smells so good. Nice.
The bottles are so cute.
Very cute. So cute.
And you know it's rechargeable. When
Is
it's
it?
finished, you can take it back.
Ah.
I like the scent. She said in the main shop,
Yeah.
they ran out of this and that was the last one.
Really? Oh, it smells so nice. Very nice.
I told her you would like it.
Oh, so nice. Thank you. You have to put only little and then it smells good. Yes, it smells good. Just only little.
Yeah, with their perfumes you don't need much. Yeah, with their perfumes, you don't need much at all. I gave you a perfume last year.
Yeah, I
You
know.
still have it.
I left it in Philippines. Yeah, I keep on looking. I said, where is my perfume? Yeah. And then I said, Ate, your perfume is here. I said, oh no. I said, okay. I said,
I
give it to
have
Mom.
one like it. I love it.
Yeah, I left it at home. Really. Yeah. I kept on looking, where is my perfume? Where is my perfume? I called my sisters. I said, and then my niece said, it's in here in the my mom's locker, because I put my things in my mom's room because it's always locked. and then lots of people coming in and out of our house. So yeah, my God, I said, oh yeah, I really forget it. Yeah. It's nice. Thank you. It smells so good.
Let me take a photo of the two of us.
Okay. But okay. I put lipstick on because I don't have lipstick. From Ate Mercy. From Ate Mercy, this one. Ate Mercy, thank you very much. Love you. Oh, it's a dress. It's a dress. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, it's a long dress. Oh, that's nice. She knows that I'm wearing always that. It's nice dress. Thank you. And perfume again.
And perfume.
Perfume also. Oh, discover yourself. Oh, this is it. It's a perfume.
And rose again, because the one I gave you has this rose something.
Oh,
More rose.
yeah. I don't know how to open. Yeah. It smells nice. It smells nice.
Yes, thank
Yes,
you.
thank you.
Would you like anything else?
No,
Anything else?
it's nice. Oh,
Can I see?
it smells good. What? Oh, thank you. Have more perfume. Oh, so kind. Thank you, Ate Mercy.
I'll go to the
Thank
loo
you,
so
Ate
we
Mercy.
can... You need the loo?
Yeah, oh no, like I've been here. Thank you, Makome. Love you, boss. Creams.
The good thing about this month is, this as we got paid this time,
Yeah.
I don't have to save money for rent because we're getting paid again on the 1st.
Yeah, I know. We get paid like twice December.
Yeah.
End of December and first week anymore because of Facebook, and then I'm fed up of it now.
Because of Facebook.
Yeah, the
You're making
reels.
money off Facebook.
Yeah,
Really?
but then creams. And pistachios. Creams. Happy birthday to me. Sige. Happy birthday. Thank you, Makome.
You're welcome.
And then, yum, 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 yum.
So how much for reels on YouTube?
It's not reels on YouTube. I'm going to eat now. Oh, yummy. It's nice and I really like chocolate.
So what's the what? The chocolate cake?
Hot.
Here we go, watch Angus, ready?
Yes!
Here we go, watch Angus.
Whee! Angus, look! Careful, hand! Hand, be careful of your hand! You want to see? Be careful of your hand, honey.
Just like that, I feel.
Be careful, hand. Don't touch it anymore, honey.
Here we go.
Angus, stay there, stay.
They are tight, man.
Angus is there.
Guys, he wants to go meet Angus.
You want us to come outside and close the door?
Yeah, because
Yeah? Yeah?
See if he takes off first, that one.
Careful, honey.
Here we go. It's gonna be loud, Nico.
They're really solid.
We'll watch another one. It's gonna go up.
They're solid, you've got to jump that one, Phil.
Here, here. Here, this way. You have to say, happy birthday to me when it's blowing.
Now when it's going.
Yeah, it's going. Okay, go. Ready?
Got to
Steady.
jump, get these plastic things off. Oh no, you come off easy, then.
Here we go.
Woo!
Watch Angus, down the way, oh, he can't see you.
The neighbors are seeing it. We're not seeing it.
Too loud.
Han, be careful.
Inside.
Han, be careful, Han.
You don't like it, we'll do it.
Watch some of these videos, they go.
You do. Here we go.
That's a firework.